Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can ask a question on Microsoft Copilot, for example, to receive an answer or reply from the artificial intelligence here on Copilot really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now, doing this is super simple, guys. All you will need to do is head over to Google, for example, if you have never been on Copilot, and here in the search bar type in Copilot or Microsoft Copilot and select the first search entry below Microsoft Copilot, your AI companion. So that is going to redirect you to the AI writing assistant here on Copilot. So what you want to do, guys, is enter your question or start a conversation with the artificial intelligence here on Copilot. So let me do that really quickly. Like, for example, a question like this here: when was electricity discovered or invented? You may also switch between a quick response given by the artificial intelligence and also the think deeper feature for more complex topics. However, guys, I don't think that's a very complex topic that can be replied or answered with one simple answer. So once you have entered your question, simply press enter or click on that button here to submit your message. And after that, Copilot will craft a message for you like this here, for example, with a variety of sources. So you may add, for example, a couple of follow-up questions here below. You may rate the given answer by giving a thumbs up or a thumbs down, for example, edit the response. You may also do a bit more or go a bit more in depth by checking out these sources here and so on and so forth. And here to the left, you will see your chat or question history listed. So that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.